for Goldie, and of course, she will be receiving a keychain from Zoobic Safari. Okay, so now this time I need a lady volunteer. How about on this side? I need a lady. You, ma'am, come on. Can you please join me here on stage? Okay, come on, ma'am. Come on, ma'am. Please make your way here. Okay, come on. Okay, so hello ma'am. Happy morning and welcome here in Zoobic Safari. What is your name? Eunice. Okay, so now Miss Eunice, are you ready to meet our next animal friend? Yes. Okay, and since you're ready, let us welcome back our charming umbrella cockatoo named Coco. Hello Coco and welcome back. So now Coco, how about greetings for our lovely guest? Okay, how about to everybody, Coco? Good morning also, Coco. Now, let's see some demonstration that Coco learned here in Zoobic, and that's the handshake. How about on the other side? Okay, so now Miss Eunice, it's your turn. I will be giving you a chance to ask 2 questions to Coco, answerable only by yes. And if he nods his head, meaning he's saying yes. Are you ready? Okay, and since you're ready, what is your first question? Come on, Ma'am Eunice. Am I pretty? Coco, is she pretty? Yes, you are pretty according to Coco. Okay, so how about your next question, ma'am? Come on, Miss Eunice, you can do it. Come on, just a question to Coco. Come on. Am I sexy? Coco, is she sexy? Oh, thinking about it. I'm so sorry about that. But you can ask him again. Come on, one more time. Come on, Mom Eunice. Am I sexy? Coco, is she sexy? Yes, you are sexy according to Coco. And what? You're telling something? You want to dance with Mom Eunice, Coco? So, ma'am, would you give a chance to dance with you? Just a little bit, Mom Eunice. Come on, everybody, let's say go, Mom Eunice. Okay, come on, Mom. They're all cheering for you. Just a little bit. Come on. Well, that's good. So I think Coco would like to join in dancing with a famous Boom Boom Challenge. Come on, everybody, clap your hands. And Mom, you can even just follow us. Come on. Come on, Mom Eunice. Come on, Mom Eunice. Come on, everybody. Say, go, Mom Eunice. Okay, I'll go turn around. Alright, so thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, but we are not done yet. Before we go, Coco and Mom Eunice, how about a wave goodbye to everybody? Everybody say bye. Alright, so how about we round of applause for Coco and of course to Miss Eunice. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being such a good sport. And with that, you'll be receiving a keychain from Zoobic Safari. And with that, guys, please join us as we end up the show. Now, folks, that you have met some of our wonderful animal friends, now is the right time to talk about them. The reason why these animals are here is because they serve as the ambassadors of their own species in the environment, which makes up their home. They are here for you to appreciate their beauty, their intelligence, and the danger they face in their natural habitat. So in behalf of Zoobic Safari Management, we would like to remind you of your contribution to the environment. That is to reduce, reuse, recycle, refuse, and respect. Maraming salamat po, and see you on your next visit as we present to you Zoobic Safari's Amazing Bird Show. Alright, thank you so much everyone for watching. And for all buses, please remain seated and kindly wait to call your buses. And for the walk-in guests po, may we request one representative to fall in line at the Zoo Chop station to register for your next attraction.